Take your Nissan Rogue on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 6 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and 2 headrest covers. The rear set has 6 pieces and includes 3 headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60/40 split seats, and 1 solid bench seat cover bottom. Begin by disconnecting the seat flap located on the rear of the backrest and under the seat bottom. More on that later. Now remove all the headrests and stretch the backrest cover over the front bucket seats. Tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Then push the 3 hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. And move the seat forward. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out from the crevice and fasten to the back with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. Then, from the front of the seat, stretch the straps underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From under the back side, grab the straps and connect them together with the buckle clips. Then tighten and secure under the seat. Now reconnect the flap under the seat and fasten the cover to the back side with the adhesive strips. Next, stretch the elastic loop around the seat buckle. Then insert the side push clip into the crevice of the seat base, as well as the foam push bar, to assure that the seat bottom has a secure, snug fit. Now, reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Next, place the underside of the rear bottom seat cover over the bench seat. You will notice 5 buckle straps and buckle clips. Flip the cover over the seat and tuck the straps into the crevice. Now slip your hand under each side of the rear bench seat bottom and pop up the seat from the base. Then grab the straps and pull them out from under the seat. There are elastic loops on the left and on the right. Slip the buckle strap through the loop and connect it together with a buckle clip. Then connect all the straps to the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now use the metal hook attached to a loop on the right and left sides to secure the fabric in place by inserting it into the foam underside. Make sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice and around the seat controls, and then pop the seat bottom back into place. Next, you will be attaching left and right bolster covers to the rear backrest. Notice there are push clips and adhesive strips on the side and around the cover. Make sure to fold down the rear split bench seats and then fasten the cover to the bolsters on the left and right sides by simply using the attached push clips and inserting them into the crevice seams. Then tuck in the fabric and fasten with the hook and loop strips to secure all sides in place. Next, stretch the covers over each section of the rear backrest. Pull the fabric around the backrest and make sure to unzip the cover on the driver's side and to slip the cover under the seat belt as well. Tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Then push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom and tuck in the fabric. From the back side, pull all the straps up from the crevice and then fasten them along the back using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Now zip up the fabric. Then secure the cover to the back side with the hook and loop closure. And finally, reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! You'll find that the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your Nissan Rogue's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.